Ubud is one of those places that everyone says is great for families, but traveling with young kids always changes the experience. So in this video, we're sharing our 6 kid-friendly things to do in Ubud, Bali that actually worked with our family. Some of them were a huge win, some surprised us, and a couple were more for us than the kids, but they were all doable with children. If you're planning a trip to Ubud with kids, this should help you decide what's actually worth your time and energy.
All right.
Sorry, if I'm gonna be in front of camera,
Yeah, you gotta look your
it has to look good.
Okay.
With my mock top.
Might I say you really know how to pick some good restaurants, so good
Thank
job.
you.
Look how cute. You what?
I'll just say I just go on Google Maps and just pick somewhere. I don't think too much about it.
You do so good. I think too much about it.
I know.
But look at how cute this place.
This was one of our favorite easy wins in Ubud. Ubud Cinnamon has really good food, like cinnamon rolls, bagels, and coffee. The real win for families is upstairs. There's a small kids play area with toys, which means we can actually sit down and drink our coffee while it's hot. And relax for a second. It's nothing fancy, just solid food and a setup that actually works when you're traveling with your kids.
It's so cute. You can get hot dogs. You can get bagels and cinnamon rolls. Amazing.
This was such a cool experience for our older child. Pondok Pekak Library lets you book different cultural activities online, which makes planning way easier. Parker did the silver making class and learned how to make 2 different rings, which he was very proud of and still wears today. Jill did a painting class, and there are also offerings for music and other classes to choose from. Our youngest was just a little bit too small to participate, so we grabbed some drinks and snacks nearby and set her up with her own activities while the class was going on. Most of them run for about an hour to an hour and a half, so it's just enough time without feeling too long.
What are you doing now?
One is just plain and twisted, one has a piece.
Cool. You already twist those yourself?
Yeah. And the guy goes behind the color.
Let's see your finished rings. Oh my goodness, they're beautiful. You want to show mommy? Show Sissy too.
You made those just now? That's amazing. Those are so cool,
You
hon.
want to show Sissy?
I love it.
Look it.
Oh.
All right. So this stop was mostly for us, but it still worked with kids. Bali Pulina is known for coffee tastings, but they also had desserts that our kids were very into. We heard there are some pools somewhere nearby on the property, but we personally never found them, so consider that a mystery. Still, it was really a nice break with great views and an easy stop to add if you're already nearby.
Do you think this is too much coffee?
Never.
So that one's Dad's, and these two are Mom's. And we have chocolate ice cream.
Well, unfortunately, the little kids. Okay. We got Bali coffee, vanilla coffee, pure cocoa, chocolate coffee, and ginseng coffee.
Nice.
And lemon tea, ginger tea, turmeric tea, rosella tea, and mango tea.
Nice. And then here's the thing, and then Kev's getting the coffee, so I'll let you know how the coffees are.
Daddy, you can drink it, Dad.
Strong.
You
Good luck.
This one. Huh?
Said good luck.
All right.
Okay, wet coffee.
Wet coffee,
Isn't all coffee wet?
right?
That's how they process it.
You need some spice.
It's good. Chunky.
Yeah. It's chewy.
Not spicy.
Strong.
A little bit.
But not like really smooth.
Ah, okay. Yeah. Not the sludge we make sometimes on accident. Okay, which one was your favorite?
I think my favorite was either this one again?
Dry coffee?
The dry or the natural.
Dry or natural, okay. Cool. What'd you like about it? It tastes good.
Yeah, but spicy or no spicy?
Oh, this one's so good. Vanilla coffee.
No spicy? Try the
No spicy.
Coke.
Girls, what'd you get?
Chocolate ice cream. It's really good.
Chocolate! Yum! Delicious.
Of course, I put nuts on it.
Well, they usually do.
it's granola
Is that good,
base.
sis? Yeah. Good.
I got
Oh, there's-
strawberry.
Ooh, yum! That's awesome. Yeah. I'm gonna get them painted, huh? All right, what are we gonna do?
Watching
See another show.
Yay! What do you think this one's gonna be? You see the pictures? There it is.
This is gonna be my reaction.
Watching a traditional Balinese dance is one of those things you should do at least once while you're in Ubud. You can buy the tickets the day of, right in front of the Ubud Palace, which was super convenient for us. It does get a little hot and cramped inside, but there's enough standing room if your kids get a little too restless. The show itself is lively and the scenes change a lot, and that really helps keep the kids engaged. We brought our own drinks and snacks, but there are also people selling them right before the show starts.
I'm just kidding.
What does
YOLO.
that say?
Hey, Kevin!
Did you find a Kevin?
We found Kevin! Congrats, Gran!
Kevin, Dana, and Candy.
And you have 2 girlfriends.
So, if you want to see rice fields without completely exhausting yourself, this is a great option. The Kajang rice fields have an easy concrete path with none of the steep stairs and muddy climbs, which made a huge difference with the kids. It's pretty peaceful, less crowded, and along the way there are a few restaurants. So we stopped at Sweet Orange, which had great food, drinks, and wonderful desserts. Tegalalang is still a must-see, don't get me wrong, but this felt like the calmer, lower energy version.
Okay, baby.
This cooking class was a highlight for our 6-year-old. Femulon cooking class was incredibly kid-friendly, and they were really accommodating. They were patient and helpful, and really made sure that she felt included the entire time. They also let Jill and our youngest hang out, and we could buy an extra plate so everyone could eat. What was really nice is they pick you up in the center of Ubud, and they drive you out to their small farm, which made the whole experience really easy. If you're traveling with kids and they have any interest in cooking, this is absolutely worth it to us. Ubud gave us a really good mix of culture, slower days, and experiences our kids genuinely enjoyed. And honestly, that balance matters so much when you're traveling as a family. No, not everything was perfect, but that's kind of the point. If you're traveling with kids or dreaming about doing it someday, we hope this video helped making planning feel a little less overwhelming. And if you want some more honest family travel, the good, the hard, and everything in between, make sure to subscribe and follow along with us.